Hello everyone, Gordo back. Today I'm going to be reviewing one of the game passes, and that is going to be the Strasbourg pack. Oh yeah. This pack is so peak, bro. Alright, first up we're gonna look at the Thomas model. It's so much detail in it. Undercarriage is a little plain, but I don't even think it. Like, look at all the whistle, Strasbourg whistle, and on the front you could have a hook or a knuckle, and you could close the doors. The same's for the LBSC variant. It's quite literally the same except recolored. Anyways, rolling stock. Oh yeah, Halloween update's still on. It's okay, I got everything I wanted from it. Clinic 13. Oh. Alright, anyways, rolling stock. Rolling stock. If I could find it. Alright, first one up is this flatbed. It's Nelson's generic American rolling stock, but I love the detail on it. It has all these logos and stuff. It has all these logos and stuff on it. And then next we have Respawn. Oh, that's new. That's pretty cool. We have first variant of a boxcar at Maryland and Pennsylvania. Now these are like nice boxcars. They're boxcars. I mean, if you in America, y'all know boxcars. The classic American stock. And the rest is the same, except Strasbourg replaces this, and it gives a number 103 or 104. And my favorite rolling stock is this. Look at this. Now up in America I see constantly, but there's so much detail. They didn't have to go so hard with the detail on this. Like, for real. And then the next favorite is that classic. The things that are scattered all over America. You could just walk in. A caboose. A bright red caboose. Which lights up. And that's some detail in there. Of course, it's not accurate to American cabooses, but here, we'll just set this freight train off to the side there. Oh, maybe we'll get a cameo from one of my pals. Anyways, over to the coaches, which is my favorite part. So tell. Alright. Yeah, these Strasbourg coaches are so good. Starting off with oh no, it's gonna tweak, it's gonna tweak. Who is Ryan, bro? I don't know you. Alright, let's see here. Strasbourg Valley View. The first one up. And, review. Anyways. Oh, right, I have the coupling disconnect. Come here. And we'll look at all the coaches in detail, including the lights. Yo, sub to me. Right. Next, Pleasant View. God dang it, I always wanted to... if y'all want to see more reviews of Game Pass, subscribe. Because I like to do these Nowhere videos. Pleasant View. Daffodil Spring. And my personal favorite, Hello Dolly. Why Hello Dolly is my favorite? Look at this bag. I'm just a sucker. I love the Polar Express, and that's what it reminds me of. Overall, this pack, it costs like, I don't even remember how much it costs, like around 150-ish Robux. I'd say if you're a fan of the Strasbourg Railway, you should get this, because it's overall a really good pack with great detail, like these wooden seats, and just the lights. And yeah, if you're a fan of Strasbourg, you can customize Thomas. It comes with 2 variants, 4 coaches, 4 pieces of rolling stock with 3 variants in the boxcars. Yeah, overall, pretty good place. Subscribe for another review.